Kanun Menteri Kelajing Mynjur ya kejing penkela thamai ke Meghalaya State Investment Promotion Facilitation Act. Kaman Ailad ek Investment Meghalaya Agency IMA bantiat ke Jaka bat ban Pynbiang ya ke Jaka di Nongbei Tyngka. Menteri rang ba ke jelau konrad kongkal sangma ulang memencuak ki kendon an ki Ailad ke komiti jong ke IMA ke baklit menteri rang ba bat ajing Mynjur ya ki project bat special subsidy lor kejing Bei Tyngka ke bapalat ya ke sispa kelur Tyngka. Ulang bagidan gijat agensi gi Pynbiang ye Jaka kumta hakam cungokai la Pynbiang dak MTDC hakam karkhana la Pynbiang dak MIDC ki katu kene ki benta la Pynbiang dak tenat penroisor ndrek IMA kamdon ka kendon bantiet ke Jaka bat ban Pynbiang Jaka ki Nongbei Tyngka kumta ke Sorkar kelas penrung ki kendon ban Ailad ek IMA bantiet Jaka kat pum gejindon kam jong Nongbei Tyngka ha gejing pentre kam gi project ada jaba kimdan setia kinu gitenat ni agensi kibam hab hagani ke kerdan ban Pynbiang ya ke Jaka.
That earlier the Invest Meghalaya Agency is an agency which is headed by the Chief Minister, and hence we had made some rules that would allow the Chief Minister headed committee of the IMA to approve projects and special subsidies beyond 100 crores worth of investment, a special subsidy to be given in terms of additional funds to be given, to be approved at the Chief Minister level, who heads the committee. But we are amending the rules to ensure that not just the committee approves it, which is headed by Chief Minister, but once it is approved, that amendment should come to the cabinet for approval. So it's a small thing, but it's an important thing because it's a large investment and the cabinet must approve it. So we have changed the rules to ensure that these large projects approvals are brought to cabinet for final approval. Second amendment which was made was that the Invest Meghalaya Agency is also an agency that is clearing all the projects that are there, which includes providing land if necessary. And there are different agencies which provide land. So in some cases, tourism MTDC provides. In some cases, industries or MIDC provides. In some cases, urban affairs provides. So the IMA did not have the provision to buy land and to provide land in case of investments. So we have just tweaked the provisions to allow IMA to also buy land as per the necessity of the investments and the projects that are there, in case there are other departments or other agencies which do not fall into that particular category and we need to provide land. So IMA also will now be an agency which will be able to buy land and be able to provide to the investors.